I stood upon the sandy bank looking out across the ocean. I watched the ships come safely in to rest beside the shore. The friends of those aboard her were gathered there to meet them. It made me long for heaven, where friends would part no more. I'm sailing toward home, toward the old ship of Zion. I see the lights upon the banks across the misty foam. Angels guard my vessel till I'm safe within the harbor. Captain, guide my feet till I get home. Mama sailed the sea of life and knew the storms I'd weather. She told me about the lighthouse that would chart my destiny. The misty veil has lifted, now I plainly see the harbor, and Mama standing on the bank to smile and welcome me. I'm sailing toward home, toward the old ship of Zion. I see the lights upon the banks across the misty foam. Angels guard my vessel till I'm safe within the harbor. Captain, guide my ship till I get home. Captain, guide my ship till I get home.